Yo, let's go right in. I'm gonna make this video way shorter because videos be going long and they take longer to render and upload. So this is a coin that we've been bot trading for a hot ass minute. Um, you know what? There's a lot of noise. Let me pause this really fast. Word. Okay, so yeah, we've been bot trading this. Let's just talk about the disasters that happened. Okay, the algorithm thought that there was some type of a base up here, and again, this is hybrid A/B trading. Um, so what happened last time was I did not get my layer hit, and it was way down here, and I'm like, it'll go down there. I don't want to mess up the algorithm and just force buy a little bit sooner. Oh, if I would have just put my money in, right, just nudged it in. So, anyways, that's what happened right here, and you can see it was so close. Like it was like right here was where the layer was, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna. So yeah, I put it in as a market buy, and then it ended up going past that, and then I started just trading all within here because this was 1 minute chart looking good. Boop, beep, 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 beep. And then you can't see all trading glitched when I sold early because I was just like this was not what was supposed to happen. Like at least right here start buying, and if it would have done that, then I would have exited right here at a different time frame. The bot would have done that. So anyways, you can't see, but I had exited right here, and it ended up hitting my take profit anyways. If I would have left it alone, it would have worked. And then obviously, then right here, I was getting rid of some of my free coins. 3 layers hit, yada yada, and came down 4 layers, or no, 3 layers hit, sold. 1 layer hit, sold. 3 layers hit, sold. 2 layers hit, sold, and now here we are. It looks like it may come back up to here, and you can see it almost hit this layer. So what I've been considering maybe doing is, if I'm managing something, especially if this is like this is a crap coin and it has not been around like since like September. This is not what you're supposed to be doing normally, nor are you supposed to be getting sides like this. Um, but I would love to, I'm being risky, on purpose, like I am. So I don't necessarily advise that you do that. But if this layer would have gotten hit, then I would have exited right here. And so in a situation like this might be something, let's say break even start. So, I might be able to just break even right here and just call it even. And then just sell the free coins that I have because I got a lot of free coins. Let's take a look at this one. This one is going crazy. Um, really want to trade this. Yeah, look at this. So again, the algorithm is calling that a base, and then you can see it comes up, it doesn't sell. This is the take profit line right here, and it just doesn't do it, and then it starts digging down further. This is just, that's how I feel. Is um, what else do we before we look at these paper trades? Oh, dude, I love traditional. Let's take a look at SHIB. Um, so, ooh, look at that. Dropping down for your boy on camera. See, like, what am I doing? I'm turning on the Ichimoku lines because these are places to buy and sell. Okay, so we've crossed this. Ideally, now what are we going to do? We're going to measure. Oh, ain't even messing with that. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's what it's all about. Like, this ain't nothing right here, okay? But not worth our time. Let's take a look at this one. This was the one that was on another video. Dead. Take off spaghetti mess. Yeah, this one, such a sad situation. Again, it bought way up in here, and then yeah, I'm also trading in between this. Just sad situations when the bot doesn't work like that. There's lots that I can do to, you know what I mean. So, anyways, yeah, this ended up selling, and then it just went right back to business. Do we have any other trades that we were doing? Let's take a look at just the market right now. So what are we doing? We're sorting by change, and then now these are the coins that we can be looking at in terms of, I'm caring about the pumps right now, not the dumps. But if we go way down here, you can see, whoa, we've got a lot of, yeah, the short coins. Stay away from them. Yikes. And then let's take a look at the bases. So let's poke our head in, see what's going on. Ooh, that looks good. Nope. It's already kind of retracted back and done its little thing. So it's like, it's already measuring tool, right? We're going to take our measuring tool and we're going to measure 9%. You know what I'm saying? Like we want to see like 10, 15, 20. I mean, it's good. It's fine. It's just kind of like and what is this? This is some, crap coin. All right, let's take a look at the paper trades because we got some interesting things to talk about. Um, okay, so you know what? Allow dead 88 not looking good. This one still in the trade, and then we've got the RSI going above 50. That's what this blue indicates. Pull that out. We're above the cloud right here. Doop, doop. You see the yellow candles? Like, you don't need to know what my candles mean. Just, the yellow, the blue, the green. That's good. You see it start to turn into crappy colors. That's no bueno. That's looking good. Let's take a look at dot. We got in right here, went down. Lots of room to work with. I think I did this one off camera. This was Ethereum. Load for me. And I got in actually right here. Doop, came down, got support on the blue. This is where the retail traders, I think of it. Here's like where some of the whales are. Here's like the real whales. You can't see this darker color. This is a great place to enter right here, like right here. Although this is resistance, right? Again, stop losses, and you got to be careful. Did you see this is cracking? Those are huge. Let's actually, since we're on Ethereum, let's go to Bitcoin, which is called XBT. Look at this. And now on the last video, I didn't actually initiate this trade, but look at what happened. Need I say more? Like, this is real. This is why QFL ends up being better than traditional trading for most traders, because you're not going to get an 11% stop loss. And the reason why I like doing this and showing you this is because I want you to realize that QFL is the tow truck company, towing people out of these bad positions. This is where you're going to nibble, and then this is where you're going to be like getting the size. Like, I think I said it in another video, but like the main thing, I was explaining this actually to a lady because she was like, I want to get into crypto. And I'm like, I'm not going to manage your bots, lady. Nope. But I'm like, yo, look at the price. It's 60 grand right now. Half of 60 grand is what? 30 grand. If you can do the math, then think of it in terms of shopping at the supermarket. Okay, it's at 60 grand, so maybe like 50 and 40, I might buy a little bit, and then as it gets further down to 30, then you're starting to get real size. Let's go ahead and look at Geno. Looking good, right? Looking good. ICX, scary coin. Not really trending, but I mean, I already committed to these trades. I'm just going to kind of go through these trades right now. Oh, this one I accidentally did a market buy right up here, and I was trying to get it right here. Yikes. I'm just leaving that one alone. That's bringing my account, my paper trading account balance down. Let's look at Matic. Looking good. I mean, like, I've been trading this. Acceleration on the ADX is going good. Ocean, looking good. Like, the 40% chance of success. I mean, it's like flipping a coin. If the setup is correct, you know what I'm saying? And this is obviously a different market than most markets, very forgiving, like pump and dump. I'm, skewing my odds in favor of the pumps right now. If it drops a wick down, then crap, you're out of luck. Waves, wavies. Yeah, whatever. Let's take a look at Stella Lumens. Oh. Heck yeah, my paper got in on that Zcash. So let's open up the panel. My current account balance is 201,499, and right now open profit is 2,500. So algo, I definitely got I risked more on algo a while back. Really, what's bringing my account down is that awful keep trade that I took. What was I thinking? So even with all that done, let's take a look at the account history. So I just want to show you this so that you understand, like, this is what like normal people are doing with crypto. At least like, the 2-to-1, like when like the majority of people are trying to do something like this, with traditional position trading. So I want to show you before when I started doing these videos, I think it was like right here. So my account was at, right here. No, right here. It was at like 195. And so you can see 195, then 198, then 198 pretty much. Then boom, 201, right? Like I got, I think I risked 2% of my portfolio in that case. So I made four racks, of paper trading money. Then, the paper trading stuff, they've been goofing around with it on TradingView. Anyways, oh, you know what? I need to hold on. I need to hide some of these alerts. Okay. And then this OXT. Oh God, are we gonna look at this really? Can I click on that? It just immediately dropped down. Then I went back down to 198, and you're like, oh man, you suck, right? It's like here I was at 195. It's like, man, keep your capital, bro. Now you're down to like 198 or 199. But then it's like, even after all these crappy trades, yeah, this was the one that goofed up with TradingView not closing, and then I ended up going back up. So I ended up not losing a bunch of money. And then, oh, cool, this one closed. Let's take a look at CRV so we can look at a successful trade. I love CRV. I mean, I do look at it. Like, what's not to like? What's not to like about my son? I mean, it's kind of nasty looking right up in here. But I do, I do like these coins. All right, let's wrap this up because I have to actually. Oh, look at that. Like, while we're doing this video, it's like, oh well. Because, I mean, with this stuff, I really want to get in on this. I just don't like this. Like this right here is like in a prior video I was referring to like some of the patterns. They're like gang signs. In this case, it's like, man, that went up 71% and then just dropped. So like for me, that doesn't fill me with like a sense of security to want to trade that right now. So, like no. Let's take a look at SHIB. Holy SHIB. Not a lot of volatility. But I mean, this thing could just take off. If it takes off, yes. Let's take a look at the crypto screener. Already set this up in a prior video. I am not going over, let's see, USDT. Actually, I like doing / tether because it highlights this guy down here. But actually, no, I just got to do USDT. Whoa, 1,500. Okay, well, let's just see what happened there. What happened there? This stuff just cracks me up. Like, oh, look at that though. Look at that. And these are like 30-second candles. I know you're probably like 30-second candles. You're snorting meth. Woo. How? Oh my gosh, that's just so crazy. I mean, Doge did the same thing. Isn't that crazy? Like, I was trading Doge and it went from like, 3 or 4. Gosh, it went from like maybe a tenth of a penny up to like 69. I'm like, sell. Should have sold more, but that's okay. And then you got all this going on. I mean, ugh. Like, you want to... no bueno. All right, let's take a look at this. We've already looked at that. Let's see if we can speed through some of these. I just don't trust a lot of these. Again, with the measurements, like measurements are key. Like if you've watched any Quickfingers Luc videos, he's really good at looking at the number of where it's currently at. So it's like 4, then he's dividing that in half, right? That's 2. And so he's like, oh, well, if it's at 4, I'd love to get my hands on some 3s. And if I can get my hands on some 2s, that's awesome. And he's in and out. There's a reason why they call him Quickfingers Luc, and he even like says it. He's like, look, I'm first out. Let's go to this really fast. So, we've already seen that. Let's take a look at this EOS Force. Like, that's why I like this Vinibot, the ProSum Solutions QFL indicator, which used to be free. I told you. I've been telling you about that forever. I've been using that forever. Oh my gosh. Like, once I get some time. Another situation like that. Or is this the same one? Oh, it's the same one. Like, another one. DJ Khaled. I don't know what's going on with these situations when I press spacebar. But you can see, like measuring this stuff out is critical. Can you even trade this as some kind of an index, crypto index? I don't know. Franklin, let's take a look at what's going on here. You see I'm sorting by the volatility. This is the crypto screener. Love it. Come on. That's pretty good. What I'd like to see is just like tons of triangles because those are like trades. And again, this is like hybrid AB trade. Why do they keep doing that? I keep like sorting through the same one over and over again. The crypto prophecies. That's pretty good. I love seeing this blue triangle right here because from top to bottom, this, 21%. So sometimes what I'll do when I see this come down this far, or, you know, you got to understand, see how it didn't reach up to this take profit line? It's like you might as well have closed this trade and then start over. You can see these like future bases. But sometimes when I see this get hit, I'm like, ooh, and then I'll buy it, and then it just shoots up like that, and then I'll sell it, you know, all up in here, make some free coins. So there's a lot that you can do if you're, I gotta go. I really need more time to trade this. I'm really, like, my homie, I'm seriously scheming, screening. I'm seriously screening. I'm seriously screening these coins. No, I really am scheming on giving more attention. Now that, like, you have to understand, I spent a lot of time like just coloring my charts because I just didn't know what else to do. I was just trying to get comfortable with all this stuff, and that looks pretty good. The main thing, let me just, if there's one point that I want to go over right now, it's this. When the coin is going down, like in a nosedive, like a panic drop, that's what I'm really looking for. I don't want it to get near this line right here because this is like 5% total volume with martingale layering where you double up each time, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, or, you know, 10, 20, 40, you get what I'm saying, 100, 200, 400, 800, saying the same things from the last videos. This is looking good though, like this market right now, if you're, you know, paying attention to what's going on right now, where's our video at, 19 minutes? I think this is a great place to stop. Like, even if it's above a base, and, you know, I really like the way that I have my charts right now. Let me just go over a couple things of what I'm doing because I think it's really important. Like when I look at these charts, there's a lot of information that I'm getting immediately so that I don't have to, let's go to this one that's just going bonkers right now. So, you know, I won't go into like what these colors for my candles are. That's just Ichimoku information. But I've also got this. So this is you can see it turns green. My computer's like full blast because I'm recording. When I see that green right here, what that means is there's a base. These are like, instead of like a line indicating a base, I just turned it into an area, and I really like that. Me likey. Because look, I can just look at the chart and be like, whoa, and then go to like, let's say the daily. This thing dropped. I don't even see. How did I know? Okay, there was a base right here. And you could say, well, you know, it returned to its base or whatever and all that stuff. We could play that game, okay, and be like, oh, well, you know, the most recent base. But the reason that I like it like this, and this is an indicator that you can get on, you know, if you go to indicators, gosh, this is like the stuff that I'm just like not YouTube worthy. I'm sorry. I love videos on YouTube that actually explained like what's going on. But this is in the public library. It's just, you know, Hork up. And I tried to, you know, do the QFL Quickfingers Luc base 13. Also, if you do, so you can do QFL just real quick. You can see this guy, he took what I did and he's like made it better. And he's already got like more likes than mine. I'm so butthurt. But also there's QFT, and that's, you know, Quickfingers trading. And this homie right here, this is actually a great indicator. I'm not going to click on it, but this is very similar to the Vinibot. And I don't know if it has alerts, but like, yeah, like definitely, this is definitely something to keep on the radar. And you can also type in Quickfingers. You just see mine. Anyways, that's where you're going to find what this is. And what I've done basically, I'll explain what this stochastic RSI is doing as well. But I've done 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, and 1 week, 1 month, with the volume moving average set to 60. I'm not going to explain what the volume moving average is, but I found that it's like a little bit smoother on the base placement if you put it to 60 instead of 6. If you go to style, you can just see basically all I'm doing is just putting an area. But if you wanted to see the bases, here's the bases. And, you know, I'm just choosing yellow because it reminds me of Hodaloo. I gotta go. Real life taking over. Anyways, you get the idea. Like, real cool stuff. The Horkup stochastic RSI, like, I've gone over it in another video, but basically when you see a red dot in conjunction with a base crack, that is when you would start to layer. So anyways, gotta go. I'll talk soon. Peace.